Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start maths class. New chapter. Chapter name is division. Okay children, already we have finished addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now we are going to start division. So what is meant by division children? Already we have revised this topic in last academic year. What is meant by division? So division is nothing but sharing objects equally or numerally, or division can be said as repeated subtraction. Okay, so let us start here in warm-up table. Divide the following. Are you seeing? First they have given problems. Divide the following. First one is 4 divided by 416. So see the board here. So first one is 4 divided by 416. Now let us have the 4 tables. At rough side, you write down 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 fours are 16. So divisor is 4, dividend is 416. Okay. So first we take first digit. Okay. Now what is the first digit in 416? 4. So how many times it will go? 1 time. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Subtract it and carry down 1. Okay. So 1 is not divisible with 4, so you keep 0 and then draw back to the 6 also. Okay. So after getting 6 down, so again see the 4 table. How many times it will go? 4 fours are 16. What is the remainder? 0. Okay. What is the remainder? 0. Next one is what in your textbook? 8 divided by 120. 8 divided by 120. 8 divided by 120. See here. So do 8 divided by 120. How you will do, Nana? So you will do in a, how many times it will go? Now start writing in rough 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are how much? 16. It will go with 2 times? No. So 8 ones are 8. First 1 we will take, but 1 is not divisible by 8. So we need to take 2 digits. So 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8, how much, Nana? 4. So carry down 0. Now it is 40. In 8 table, when it will get 40, 8 5 is 40. So remainder is 0. What is the quotient, Nana? 15. So write down there 15. Next, 759 divided by 3. Now you take, what is the first number? 7. So you take 3 table. Observe here. 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 9 can be subtracted from 7? No. So you can take before number 6. 3 twos are 6. What is the remainder? We got 7. Now carry 5. Okay. So how many times it will go in 3 table? 15. 3 5s are 15. Now take 9 downwards. How many times it will go? 3 3s are 9. What is the quotient? 253. Remainder 0. Next question is 445 divided by 5. Okay. So 4 cannot be divisible with 4. So we need to take 2 digits. 44. 44. How many times it will go in 5 table? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45. 45 cannot be subtracted from 44. So we'll go with 8, 5 5 is 5 8 is 40. What is the remainder? 4. Carry down 5. Now you got 45. 5 9 is 45. Remainder 0. Quotient how much, Nana? 89. Remainder 0. In that manner we need to do the divisions. Second option is tick the correct option is there. Tick the correct option. First one is what? 4 packets contain 92 candies. How many candies are there in each packet? That means 4 packets contain how many candies? 92 candies. We need to find out how many candies there in each packet. That means what we need to do? Division. 92 divided by 4. 92 divided by 4. So see, first digit is 9. First we will try with 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 cannot be subtracted from 9. We can go with 8. 4 twos are 8. So 9 minus 8, how much? 1. Now carry 2 downwards. Now we got 12. So 4 threes are 12. Remainder is 0. Quotient how much, Nana? 23. Remainder 0. Next one. A tray can have 9 eggs. How many trays will be required to keep 432 eggs? 432 eggs. Then what we need to do? 432 divided by 9. 432 divided by 9. Okay. So we will get each tray has 9 eggs. How many trays will be required to keep 432 eggs? That means 432 divided by 9. How much we will get, Nana? 9. 4 cannot be divisible with 9. So we need to take 2 digits, 43. 43 is nearest value is 36 only. 9 4s 36 because 9 5s is 45. 45 cannot subtract from 43. So we need to take nearest value. 9 4s are 36. If you subtract 43 minus 36, 3, 6 cannot be subtracted from 3. You need to borrow 1. 13 minus 6 is 7. We carried on 2. Now we got 72. In 9 table, when we get 72, 9 8 is 72. So what is the quotient? 48. Remainder is 0. So in this way, we need to do the divisions. Next, 7 bag contains 266 yellow and white balls. Find the number of balls in each bag. If each bag contains equal number of balls. Now we do. So we need to do division again. 7, 266 divided by 7. Okay. 2 cannot be subtracted from 7. Divided by 7. We need to take 26. 7 3 times 7 is a 21 because 7 4 is 28. 28 cannot be subtracted from 26. So we go 3 times 7 is a 21. 6 minus 1 5. Very good. Next carry down 6. Now we got 56. In 7 table when we get 56, 7 8 is 56. Remainder 0. Quotient is 38. Remainder is 0. So hope you have understood this warm-up table, children. Next we will see dividing a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Here you see the figure they have given, how explanation here. Revati went to a departmental store. She saw 12 boxes containing scarves. The salesman told Revati that there are 168 scarves in all. Revati was surprised and thought of calculating how many scarves would be there in each box. Revati tried hard but was unable to calculate. Fabian helped her by explaining the concept. Let us find how many scarves will be there in each box. For this, follow the steps. So first we need to divide 168 divided by 12. 168 divided by 12. So what is the first step? Since 1 cannot be divided by 12, so we need to divide 16 by 12. 2 digits we need to take. So 12 ones are 12. Okay, 12 is how less than 16. Okay, 12 twos are 24. 24 is not less than 16. No, so we can't subtract here. So therefore we will go with 1 time. So 12 ones are 12. 6 minus 2, how much? Nana? 4. Carry down 8. Now you read the table. How many times it will go? 48. In 12 table, 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. Now you write quotient as 14, remainder as 0. So there are how many scarves in each box? 14 scarves in each box. In this way we need to do the divisions. Dividing a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. See here also. 3278. Need to divide. This is a 4-digit number. We need to divide with a 1-digit number. You need to follow the steps. First 3 cannot be divided by 7. So we need to divide 32 by 7. Two digits we need to take. 32 divided by 7. Now write the 7 table here. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 5 is 35. 35 cannot be subtracted from 32. We need to go with 7 4 is 28 is less than 32. So we will subtract 32 minus 28. How much it will get? 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. Borrow 1 from 10's place. So 12 minus 8, 4 Nana. So now bring down 7 here. Okay, and divide 47 with the 7. So again check with 7 table. how many times it will go? 7 sevens are 49. So it will not go with 7 times. 7 6 are 42. Subtract here. 42 is less than 47, no? So 7 minus 2, 5. Again bring down 8. 58 is there. Now read the 7 table. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 63 again it will not subtract from 58. 56 is less than 58, so we go with 8 times only. 7 is a 56. 8 minus 6, how much now? Remainder 2. So now again, so what is the quotient here? Nana 468 and remainder 2. In this way, we need to do the 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Next, we will go with the same in the same process. 2-digit number also same process division. We need to get the tables very perfectly in order to solve the divisions correctly. Okay, so shall we start my practice time 1? First divide the following. See here 19 with the 2, 28. Okay, tomorrow we'll see children. Thank you.